What's going on, guys? So today is the day. It's a happy day today. I'm going to pick the car up. They just gave me the call, said it's done. So I'm on the road now. I'm going to pick the car up. So man, hey, like I said, when I get there, I'm going to show you guys the car. I'm going to start up video. Yeah, so let's get to it. I'll get back to you guys when we get there. It's a lot louder. It sounds real good. Yeah. It's real good.
If you crank it up when it's cold, then you drop it in gear real quick. Gas idle kind of high for burrow test all, but once it idles up or warms up and settles into it, nice, drives, runs well, no surging or bucking or anything like that, no real stuff.
Yeah, that's good. I'll let you shout out your business and.
We're here at LSX Tuning and Performance in Concord, North Carolina.
If you need any work done, hit my man Steven up at LSX Tuning and Performance in Concord, North Carolina. And hey man, he'll get you right. He'll definitely stay in contact with you, keep you up to date on the build. And hey man, you hear it, so the work's speaking for itself. Let's see what we got under the.
Yeah, there's your catch key. Mounted it. It's like a universal type of tracker setup. Mounted it over here in your drain tube.
Yeah.
Runs down and it's attached underneath the front of the car. So if you're doing oil changes or anything like that, you would just access the little clear tube down there and unscrew the drain valve to drain any of the fluid that it catches in there.
All right.
Other than that, everything's ready to go.
Then you the cooler. You got the cooler.
Yeah, we actually mounted it flat underneath it. He trimmed out around the plastic trim up underneath it.
Walk around the other guys. There she is, guys. We got her cam. That's one of the first little mods that we got. Well, one of the first big mods to come. So yeah, man, y'all let me know. Let me know how y'all liking this so far. Let y'all hear this thing one more time.